All right, COVID-19. What to do? Well, today we're gonna work on this car. It's got an oil leak at the oil filter pedestal. Not much leak, but it drips sometimes and makes a mess in the driveway. I just got this car out of LAX parking lot. Had it there for a couple of months. Had to retrieve the car because they were closing down the lot. And I didn't want to get stuck in there. So anyway, it's a very clean Mazda RX7. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Sorry, top of my forehead here. Anyways, let me switch the camera. How did I do that? Okay, here you go. Here's a leak. I don't know if you can see it. The black Mazda oil filter. And there's a leak right there, right on the base. So I have to remove the oil cooler line, this banjo bolt. Remove that, remove the filter. And it's gonna be kind of bitch to, there's two 10mm under the base. And it's just two silly little O-ring that probably leaked because of age. Anyhow, got the intake manifold. The intake elbow off, so it's a little bit more clearance. However, I will be removing this intake manifold to get under it. I believe there's a little air leak because when I put in throttle, it squeaks like pressure's leaking. All right. Okay, I just found these are my O-rings. The old O-rings that was causing a leak. You can tell it's crushed down pretty good, and it's on the brittle side. So Mazda wants $5.99 for each of these stupid little O-rings. Go get yourself a kit. Probably about 15 bucks. You got all the O-rings you need. And since this housing has to go back into the oil pedestal, you have to flip it over and install it. So you have to do this. But of course, what happens? Gravity is gonna pop it loose. Well, in this case it didn't. But if it did, to secure it, get yourself some, this is Pro 1. It's locally made in the US. Somewhere in Corona, I think. So get yourself a little bit of a grease. Well, that's quite a bit. It's okay. This will help the O-ring stay put. And now we can go back and reinstall this. Just finished working on my car, so I guess it's time for me to go to my barber shop. Believe it or not, he's open. No appointment needed.